Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this freehand and nail stamp Valentine's nail design. So I'm using a sheer pink nail polish as the base of my nail, and I'm going to paint half of my nails with this pinkish reddish nail polish. Then I'm going to use this silver, it's like a silver glitter nail striper. I never use it for my designs. I only use it for things like this, just to spread the glitter apart. So as you can see, I'm using a nail brush just to move the glitter around and kind of give it like an ombre-ish look. Then I'm going to add some more glitter on top of it. So I'm using a glitter nail striper, but you can use any kind of glitter polishes. And I want to leave the tips of my nails sheer. And the reason why I did this design is I saw someone do this on a fake nail, and I thought, how would it look on a real nail? And I have to say, I love the finished product. Then as you can see, I applied a quick dry top coat, and I was going to leave this design like this, but I just thought to myself it was plain. It's not plain, but I felt it was a plain look. But it's a perfect look to use with any kind of color combo. But I decided to add a nail stamp design, and I thought Valentine's is around the corner. So I'm using this Cici and Sisi nail plate. It has a nice heart design, so I wanted to add a cute black nail stamp design on top of it. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. I hope I made this video really easy for anyone to recreate. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.